All right, we got some more exciting announcements today. You all know we'll be taking the 2022 Eagle Managers Retreat to Cancun. I can't wait. What a beautiful place. There's 4 months left to qualify for you to join us in Mexico. Please work hard. Don't give up. You can be in Cancun with us. Now, as you know, in 5 months' time, we are headed to Abu Dhabi for the Global Rally. I can't believe it's coming so fast. This is a qualifier-only event, so you got to qualify for it, and you know by now if you've qualified or not. So get excited, qualifiers. Now, the big news today, are you ready for this? I want to tell you where we are going for the 2023 Global Rally. Are you ready? That's right. We're going to do it right now because we want you to have motivation and to work hard and set your goals to qualify for the 2023 Global Rally. You got 12 months to do it. Here we go. We're going to take not just to a big city around the world. We've changed it up in 2023. This time it's going to be on the beach in... Take a look. That's right. FGR 23 is going to be in Bali, Indonesia. Isn't that exciting? Oh my gosh. We will be in the best hotels on one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. I mean, think about it. Relaxing, celebrating, having fun in this lush, tropical, magical island of Bali. I just can't wait. Let's get there. You need to qualify though. Set your goals now. Have yourself believe that you can be there enjoying the beautiful beaches of Bali. You have 12 months to make it. You can do it. And remember, there is no experience like one with forever.